All right, we are back in the Classic Motorsports workshop. Today we are going to try to polish these scratches out of this windshield. It is replaceable, but rather than spend $200-300 on it, I wanted to see if we could get these minor scratches out. I will say that if you've got really bad scratches, the chances of you getting them out is pretty slim, but these don't look too bad. We've got an Eastwood glass polishing kit. It's about $50-60. It's really nothing but this rouge, and this tool goes in a drill. They want you to run 600 to 1500 RPMs, but we'll give it a shot and see how it works. But the first thing we want to do is clean the windshield. The instructions made it clear that you don't want any extra dirt around here. Plus, I want to see if this windshield's really worth saving before we go too far into it. We'll get both sides. So far, it doesn't look real bad, but we want to get all the dirt off of it and see what we're really dealing with here. Yeah, for a 60-year-old windshield, it doesn't look bad at all. Maybe it's been replaced over the years, but it looks pretty original. You know, a lot of times these cars sit for decades, and that helps save some of these pieces, you know, some of the trim and the glass and so forth. So they want you to run it 600 to 1500 RPM, which on our bigger drill on the third speed, it worked the best. Took a couple of batteries to do it. It is hard on the batteries. They say you don't want to rub too hard and you want to keep it wet. You put a paste down, you keep squirting water into it. You want it to be slurry the whole time. And after about 20 minutes of going back and forth, not trying to burn one particular area, we were able to get the scratches out. And then we cleaned the windshield off again. You know, we cleaned it at the beginning. They say don't get any dirt from your dirty windshield into the slurry. So we did that. Well, as you can see, it looks pretty much perfect now. It's a messy process, as we were forewarned. It's relatively simple. It's relatively inexpensive. You just need to have some water, a couple of mixing cups, and a drill, and you can clean the scratches off your windshield. If you like this sort of stuff, please like and subscribe to our channel and check out our website, classicmotorsports.com.